Hey folks, this is your friend and sponsor, Michael Hayes of the Living Legacy Group. And boy, oh boy, I am so happy and grateful that you are here with me. And we're on this journey to earn a single or a double income or triple income. We here to make some money, okay? Doing this thing that they call trading. And boy, do I have a treat for you this weekend. That's why I want you to come on in, stay tuned. I'm going to be running this full entirety of this man here, Oliver Velez. This is the godfather of the stock market trading hemisphere. The guy is awesome. The way he teaches, the way he opens your mind to how to think about trading, and the tips that he's going to be giving you. I'm just going to give you a little taste of Mr. Oliver Velez.
I have a tactic that is it's not 100%, but this tactic is the closest tactic I have to winning 100% of the time. Whenever this occurrence happens, it's nearly 100% of the time. Now, 70% is lower than that. This tactic I'm explaining to you, or I'm telling you about, has close to a 98, 99% accuracy rate. Its problem is that it happens every 4 years during a presidential election year. Do you see what I'm saying? What I'm saying, this is a 70% occurrence rate. So my tactic that I'm explaining to you is very high in its accuracy rate, but I gotta wait 4 years for it to come around again. How can I make a living like that? No, you want something with a much higher occurrence rate. That tactic has a low occurrence rate, once every 4 years. You want something that happens so frequently that you can't possibly take all the opportunities because you don't have enough money. That's where the game of making your living in the markets comes from. It comes from finding reliable events that happen very, very often, that happen virtually every single day of your trading life. Otherwise, how can you make a living from something that happens once every 4 years? You can't. You have to find things that happen every single day. In fact, what I'm going to teach you, I'm always teaching my traders things that happen every 8 minutes in the market. That's right, every 8 minutes. You will be able to find a bear elephant bar every 8 minutes of your life. That's how frequently occurring this powerful event. There are traders.
Woo-hoo.
There are actually...
No, that's enough. That's enough, Oliver. So you stay tuned. Stay tuned this weekend. This is a 10-hour series, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. I'll have it posted. I'll make a schedule, and I hope to see you there this weekend. It's gonna be recorded, so that way, if you can't make it, you can always come back and visit the channel. All right, folks. Have a good evening. This is your friend and sponsor, Michael Hayes of the Living Legacy Group, bidding you farewell.